So I was trying to start my stream and my title was invalid. So I kept doing. I tried to. I had to copy paste this stuff like 20 times before it worked. Before I found out that my title was too long. Okay. Anyway, guys and girls, we have about, I don't know, 1.5, 2 hours to get some stuff done. Finish the veto package, do some integration testing. You know how we do it. Okay, let's put on some music for you guys. Okay, so you didn't hear the music, probably. Great. Let's put this key caster thing on as well, because that's really cool. There it is. And what else? So I was looking at something before we start to dive into the Flutter development. First thing I want to know, change, is this thing, this header here. Like, I'm using Notion for my website because it's like really easy to change and maintain. And I just love Notion. I use it for everything. Well, not for everything, but for a lot of things. Hello. And so every time I post my link to my website somewhere, even kijken, let's see, what is the widget that has a so every time I share my website, it looks like it looks like this. So let's change it. And now I got this cool idea to do this with Dolly. Cool. So, what do we want to show? What am I? What do I represent? So, an app developer losing his mind. Wow. Creating an app in space and having fun. Also cool in fantasy style. That's me, I think. An app developer with the mask on. Okay. And now I know there's something like it expands. Cool. These are cool. I'm not gonna say an app developer, a monster. Let's share my own video on Facebook, by the way. Okay. Whoa, these look very cool. Wow. Yes, we are going to save these. Look at that. Damn. That's awesome. Pretty cool, huh? Did I have this, I think art and then images, Dolly, yes, okay. What was this? Monster app dev. This is my favorite. This is not my favorite. I think this one is my favorite. Cool. Really cool. We might want some variations of this. Really, really cool. What is it saying? Not tot lie and fakung muziek chiki tuki tuki wookie. Did I favorite this one? No. Not sure what that does, but whatever. I like this one too. I like this color. I think I like this one the best. I know there is some new functionality that allows you to expand it or something. Shall we do some variations on this? Let's see. I like the original one the best. Right? Let's just use this one. Okay. We're not gonna change it too much, or are we? Maybe. Just put it in Canva. So here I have this thumbnail thing that I create every time. Okay, I have to look through the glasses. So what we'll be making is a... What are we making? Like Notion cover. Let's just add the picture in that we just downloaded, right? Documents, veto, art, and then images, thumbnails. No. Veto, Dolly. This one. All right. Okay, and what did we have here? Monster app dev, yes. So again, this one, this one, this one, or this one. By the way, for my one viewer that just joined. Want to become famous? Buy viewers, followers, and primes on your photos. Well, thank you. Well, I'll do it the other way. So yeah, we created these with Dolly, the AI painting generation thing. I asked for a monster. What was it? A monster with a mask on, losing his mind while creating an app in space and having fun. Okay, very nice. Let's put this here. No, not there. Custom size. What's the size of this? Boom, boom, boom. Can't you just open something? Open. Save the folder, create new design. Yeah, okay. Just create this thing and put this here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's not 1,000, is it? Yeah, okay. Then do we add myself there as well? I don't know. Shall we? No, that's a little bit crazy. This one. Is that funny? I think so. And then maybe do something like go to veto.com. Use one of these cheesy. Like this. No. This looks ugly. By the way, I'm colorblind, so you know, some things might look very ugly to you, but they are beautiful to me. Go to veto.com. Oh yeah. And then perhaps change the color a little bit. What is this? Why is this so big? Okay. Shall we make it black? Or not black, but cool. Shall we put some credit to Dolly? Because yeah, they made this. Created with Dolly. Let's do it like this. Looks a bit weird. Shall we just copy this one? Created with Dolly. Whoop whoop. Cool. Why? This. Yeah, white. Cool. And then yeah, that's about it, I think. Hey! Who? Okay. And we can save this. Download. Let's see. Where shall we save this? Thumbnail, images. Let's say website. Background. No. Header. So now all we have to do, that's why I love this Notion thing, just change the header, upload. Oh. Images wider than 1500 pixels work best. Well, that I didn't do that. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, okay, let's see, images. What did I say again? Website. And then header. Cool. Might look a little bit strange. But yeah, whatever. It's cool though. What was it? I like it. Just, you know, quick, easy, and cool. Thank you, Dolly. Thank you. I have a new header. Nice. Nice. Now let's get on with the Flutter stuff. Did I do this? Yeah. Okay. Reposition. Created with Dolly. Cool. Save position. And if I... Yep. Cool. Okay. Now that we did that, we got that out of the way. Let's do some what we came to do here. Okay, so I made a ticket for this 31. It started out as a fictional fake ticket, but it became a real ticket actually. So we created the unit tests, we created the example project. It had to cover all these things, so the example project had to demonstrate all these things. Then we created the unit testing. The unit testing had to unit test these. And now we are at the integration testing / widget testing part, where we want to test the arguments of the ViewModelBuilder and then the rebuild, mounted, and disposable build context. Yeah, let's check those. And we are here, veto. Let's go to the example project, and then we have lib test. I think I put it there. No, it's not in the example project, by the way. These are the tests for the actual package, so it's not in the example project, but it's in the test package of the package. And then we have the view model. Oh, the file was already open. Okay, good morning. So this works. We can run it. We made this yesterday. Let's hope it still works. Nice. So test started. Given the base view model was built, building the base view model. When the view model is initialized with a string argument called cookie, passing result to the next step, the base view argument should be cookie. We can put a little log success here. Success. The arguments were, was, the argument was, argument. We know this is true because when it comes here, when it's able to run this code, then you know it has succeeded, this one. Okay, now let's move on to the next test. We have the rebuild, so we want to test the rebuild functionality. Now let's go to the ViewModelBuilder here. Then we have rebuild. Let's see what it actually does. So what do we want to integration test? That it's being set. Sure. add that it's calling set state, perhaps. No, let's not make it too difficult. Let's just do the initialization part. We just want to make sure that whenever you initialize a view model with the ViewModelBuilder, then you want to make sure that these methods are being set. All right. Pretty lame test, but whatever. Whatever. ViewModelBuilder widget test. This is not the right name. If you want to build a widget test, initialize. Initialize scenario. Alright, that's the one. Initialize scenario. Integration scenario. Alright, we got that. Models, features. Initialized. It's a bit of a searching for me as well, so yeah, we want to do it like, okay, we have the unit scenarios here. Test, damn it, man. Too fast. We have the unit features, and then we have the and then we have the integration features here. Right, wait, widget features, integration features. Potato. And then we have the initialize. How would we call it? How would we call this? Init state. Yeah, okay. Init state feature, the dart. So we would say, okay, this is init state feature extends integration feature. And then we have this. And we want to remove this, to be honest, and say, okay, tests the view model builders init state method. Test the view model builders proper initialization during the init state method. Wow, that's a long sentence. Then we have the scenarios here, and right, init state feature, and then we'll create scenarios here. All right. Initialize scenario. We can copy this one to here. Alright, and then say initialize scenario. What? Cool. So if we now run this one, widget tests, let's go here, main, and then say veto. Yeah, init state feature. Then we'll say here class veto widget test extends. Oh, that's a bit weird. Extends integration test. Yeah. Then we will have the same stuff that we just did. Move this. Yeah. That's all widgets of the veto framework. Veto mvvm framework. Whatever. Let's think. So this widget test will have this init state feature. Test the ViewModelBuilder of the veto framework. Tests the ViewModel functionality. Features. Okay. We have the init state feature. Can you see how this works and how organized this is? So we have this widget test that says, okay, we have this init state feature, and this init state feature has several scenarios. We have this initialized scenario, but we also have the other one, the rebuild scenario, the mounted scenario, disposable build context, and it's all part of initialization. So we can wrap that up there. And then we have another feature later. Let's make a more interesting test. I'm not gonna do that, but we could. Where's the base view model? Yeah, we could say, okay, when what's actually going on? Yeah. When this is being called, then the other method should be called, and then this method should be called, and blah 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 blah. Okay, we're not gonna do this. Okay, let's see. Where were we? Init state feature. Initialize scenario. Line it up. Hey yo. We can remove this. We don't need this anymore. Okay. Initialize scenario. Come on. Rebuild. So I'm gonna do a little bit of copy pasting because let's go to the test. Building the base view model is mock. Yeah, we can copy this pretty much to do the same. Let's see, initialize scenario, and then we would have the rebuild scenario dot dart. Initializing, yes, initialized scenario. Testing the initialized functionality. Initialized. testing the arguments. Of the what are we doing, man? This is the argument scenario. Okay. I need to go to the toilet. Same thing again. Okay. Now we go to the rebuild. Okay. Let's just rename this rebuild scenario. Gonna remove the argument, testing the rebuild functionality. Now, are we really testing the argument functionality here? Check the argument. Do we need to do anything else? It's initialized. Yeah, we could kind of test that, but we already unit testing that. Should we integration test this as well? I don't know. This is just a little bit for demonstration purposes. So don't think we're gonna do that, but we might. I changed my mind a lot. Like that. Argument scenario. Okay. All right. So what we have right now is the argument scenario here. We're just gonna copy paste. If we copy pasted it, and we're gonna check if we can use most of it. Probably we can, given that the base view model is built. Okay, log building the base view model implementation. We made that class somewhere else. This is the base view model implementation because the base view model is an abstract class, and without importing Mockito and mocking it with the package, we just created our own little sort of mock of it. Yeah, it's overriding certain methods that when it's a mock it should behave differently, and if it's not a mock it will behave just like a regular view model. We don't have any arguments here. So the base view model is this, is mock, is false because we don't want to mock anything right now. We want to use the real functionality, and in this case if we mock it, then most of the actual real functionality, like rebuilding and stuff and getting the proper width based on the context, is not working. All right. Yes. Tired. When the view model builder is initialized, oh wait, we were here. Find the base view model implementation is mock, false. Okay, the base view model is built. Once we reach this point here, then returning the base view model as a result. So we are returning the base view model because we want to use it in the next step. Got that right? So in order to pass something from this step to another, you pass it as a result. Check. The view model builder is initialized with a string argument called. That's not true. When the view model builder is initialized. So what we do here is get the result. Can we do something like this? Shall we introduce my S-type extension? into the testing package. Yeah, let's do that. Just have to think how I did that again. I think it was something like extension as type. Let me get that from another project. Just give me 1 second, please. It's a secret. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Open recent. We are looking for the as type extension. So yeah, I'm back. What I want to do? Oh wait, we need to put on the pause thing. Where's the timer? Where is the timer? I don't think it's on. There you go. All right. Let's put this here. Then we have, what do we have? Yeah. So this method, let's type. Yes. I'm just thinking. Let me think. Do we want to put this there? Yeah, we can do. Do we want to put this into the integration test package? Because using the result right now is a bit annoying, you know? What we can do. What we can do is we go to the integration test package and the unit test package. Here. Oh, I didn't make a Instagram story that I'm alive, you know? So people might want to look at the code. Just give me a second, guys and girls. I didn't put my stuff yet. Okay, go to YouTube. Okay. Let's put this one over there. Put this one over there. Oh shit. Cool. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh, very live, very fast, very nice. Is there a way to share this? Share. Copy URL. Thank you very much. Put that. Oh, I closed it again. Very nice. Yeah, sorry guys. This is like administration. I have to be really on top of this. So, yeah. Especially now, just starting out. Make sure that you know you're able to find me. That's important. At least I think so. I'm not trying to. No. Coda. Facebook. Yes, almost there, almost there, almost there. Stay focused. All right, we did it. Back. So, what we are going to do is, let's think. So we have this method, right, that we want to use. This method. No, sorry. This method. So we will kind of want to export that at the moment. Not at the moment, I mean, yeah, make that part of a certain class. So we're going to make that part of an integration scenario. Or are we going to make that part of this one? And here we're just importing integration test, which is automatically exporting everything. So yeah, does this make any sense to you? I hope. If not, then let me show you what I mean. We have this one. No, this one. It exports integration test. Hey. It's all part of each other. Smart boy. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Well, yeah. Either way, what we're going to do then is this one. Is this also part? Yep. Yep. Not part of this example. I'm getting confused here. It is part of the result, and the result is part of the step. The step here. This result is never. Yeah, so we're putting it here. Yeah. Step extension on object. Result, step result, extension. helpful but dangerous casting method to allow for easier usage of a step integration step result. Use with caution. This will cast the result to any type. Okay. Yeah. So we do the same thing. Okay, wait. We are going to add this. First, Flutter format. Okay, and then we add it. We add it. So we have a change log. We have a pub spec. So let's make this +3 and then say okay +3. Let's say edit as type and as nullable type. Extension methods for easier usage of an integration. Steps, results. Okay, now we can add this to, oh my god, is the git broken again? How is this possible each time? This is so annoying. Unbelievable. Not a lot of things annoy me, but this. Unbelievable. Git project keeps resetting IntelliJ. I know what's wrong because we have this. There's this git thing. that seemed to have worked somehow. I don't know why. Freaking annoying. Let's see if we were pushing to the right one. 10 seconds ago, okay. Fixed it. But for how long? I think next time that I open this project again, it will be... Did I change the pubs back? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now quickly let's do this for the unit test as well. So we go to the example step, unit step, sorry. Helpful but dangerous casting method to allow for easier usage of a unit step. Okay. Okay. Change log. So we do a Flutter format here, like this. Alright, now let's add it 0.0.2. Out of the way. Follow. Oh, I am tired. Yes, time for some coffee. Okay, now that we did that, we should probably publish it. Publish. Did we add everything also? Yeah. Okay, publish. Do you wanna do this? I say yeah. Okay, let's remove this. Published, yes sir. Now, let's see if we can use it immediately. Quick unit test +1 +3. I think that's the one. Okay, now we can easily, let's say more easily, use the results from a step. Probably so, result as type. Right. Nice. Okay. Let's continue. When the ViewModelBuilder is initialized, ViewModelBuilder, here we go. We are not giving it any arguments. The builder, size box. We're returning the base view model. Let's make this. Okay, then it's initialized. What are we testing again? The rebuild functionality. Actually, the rebuild method method initialization. We want to know if the set state of the ViewModelBuilder is being called. To be honest, to really test this thoroughly, how can we do this? Shall we make a mock, or do we even care? I know we cannot really check if it's well, yeah, we can. We just check if it's not no, and if it's not initialized, it will throw the late initialization error. I'll go for that. I'll go for that. Okay, so the ViewModelBuilder is initialized. We're returning the base view model again. Then we're fetching it again here. Might have to find a better way to do this. Sometimes you want to have values that you want to use in every step, right? Shall we make something for that? Yeah, so we kind of want to make a box maybe in this step. Yeah, like a map. Yeah. Should we go back to the unit tester package again? Well, that's quite a big change, because we'll be changing the entire. Let's just add it as a to-do. Yeah. So let's go to the sprint, and we'll have a to-do here. Shall we do it now? 13:40. I need to go in about an hour or so, I think. The box. Pandora's box. It's an artifact connected with the myth of Pandora. All manner of misery and evil. Oh, we don't want to use that. Box. But then the result kind of becomes it's quite a big change. Result becomes useless. Because you can always put it in the box. Put it in the box. You could, theoretically, put it in the box, put it in the box. Shall we do that? Shall we create that? Shall we just first finish this test? Okay. The page view arguments. Okay, given the view model builder is initialized. Turn the page view model, then we got it here again. Then the page view model rebuild method should not be no. Let me think. So this super.rebuild does this. Do we want to expose this purely for testing? Not really. It's part of the... I think I can access it, right? Or not? Skip break. Ah shit, shouldn't have skipped it, but okay. Just give me a sec. I think I can access it. Can I? No, I cannot. This is annoying. Let me think. Test expect a method not to throw. What is their best way, Flutter, to test that? Test the persist. Okay. Expect operations throws a. Can we reverse this, perhaps? Like expect page view model rebuild throws a might work. Throws A is A. Cool. Learning new stuff. Type matcher. Yeah, okay. Okay. I think they should work. Right? Where is it? Where is it? Where am I? What am I doing? Okay, expect. This one can go. Throws a is a. No, is a. Returns a matcher. What did they do again? Is a. Do we have to do this? I guess we do. Feels weird. Well, whatever. Okay. negated. Shit, we can't do that. Damn it. Expect a method not true. I suppose we can just do this, and if the method throws, then you know the method, it will fail anyway in this test. So, and then expect method did not true. Is this good? I don't know. Feels a little bit weird. Weird. Let's see if it works. Void main rebuild scenario. Like if we want to do this properly, I think we also have to do some other stuff. We have to mock the ViewModelBuilder state. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, it worked. Method did not throw. Okay. Now let's test if let's pretend that we didn't do this, then this should throw, because then it's not initiated. Yep. Has not been initialized. I suppose this works. Kind of tests what I wanted to test. It's not a real good widget test, integration test, but just for the form, to illustrate how you could test it. Like a more interesting test would be to see if it actually calls the set state of the ViewModelBuilder. I guess that we have to then use Mockito or something, or create our own mock to test whether the method set state has been called. I'm not going to do that, because I think that's a little bit of a waste of time. Okay, now let's go back to the board, and I wanted to add a ticket here, just a quick one for a box. Transform results into box. We're gonna create a ticket for this? No, let's just change my mind. Just put it into motion. They will have then it has a better chance of getting done. Let me change my screen real quick to not show anything from my clients. There you go. Okay. What was I saying? Box. Transform result into box. This is the testing packages. Okay. Personal work. How long will this take? I think about 45 minutes. Soft deadline. When do we want to finish it? The 8th. Yeah, personal work. Save. So this is motion. It will automatically plan it based on the schedules and stuff that I made. Pretty cool. It does have a lot of bugs though, so once you kind of get used to it and you know what to expect and what not to do and what to do, then it's okay. It gets the job done, but could be better. But either way, it's great for a chaotic brain that wants to do all and everything, all day, every day. Okay, so we did that. Shall I take a break? Yeah, taking a small break. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. I need to go to the toilet and maybe get myself some drink. A drink. Timer. Be right back. I was gonna check how late I should leave, but I know already. Okay, stop! Let's continue. That's a pretty big brine. Oop. Green screen. Let me think. What were we doing? Next test. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the ticket and see what the next one is. Mounted. So we are basically. Yeah, okay. I was thinking we are going to test the exact same thing, but then with the mounted method. So, method is mounted. Expect. Yeah, cool. Anyway, then this would be the method and this would be the test. Exactly the same. So what we can do is either put it here or create a separate one. But let's still create a separate one because we might want to change other things as well in the future of the mounted test scenario. So because this is not a really interesting test and we might want to test it more. All right. Oh, sorry. Let's go. Okay, so we'll just copy this, and then we'll go to rebuild scenario. Scenario. Yes. We'll go to. Hello. Oh, it's there. Because of my glasses, I don't really see it there that well. Rebuild scenario. What was I doing again? Focus by mounted scenario dart. All right, and then we can replace. So we're gonna look for pattern. Rebuild is gonna be mounted, so we can replace in the entire file the word rebuild with mounted. We do need to import this. Testing the rebuild. Now we have rebuild here. We can safely assume that every rebuild with lowercase is gonna be called mounted. At least most of them. Beep. And let's just then go through the motion. Now go through the test. The base view model is built. Building the base view model implementation. Base mock. False. Success. Base view model built. Returning the base view model as result. Once we make the box that we just made a ticket for, you won't have to do that anymore. You put it in the box. The ticket from the box. When the view model builder is initialized. Let me think. Would you have that box? Yeah, no, never mind. Okay. Building it. Let's go to the rebuild scenario and say, okay, the rebuild should be initialized and not be null. Okay. Then the base view mounted should be return true. Okay, so mounted, we're gonna expect it mounted to be true. Alright, cool. Base view model was mounted. Cool. Let's see if it works. I'm not even sure if it will work because yeah. Oh, what was that? Debugging? No, sir. No, thank you. Yep. Nice. Very nice, ladies and gentlemen, very nice. We did it. Okay, now let's go on. Build the last one, disposable build context. Context scenario. context. I know there was a way to put the chat in your screen. Put chat in screen as screen. As a window. Streamlabs to desktop. Well, I'll check that later. Sorry, I just thought of that. I had to find out. Context scenario. Let's see. Are we gonna use the rebuild or the mounted? I like the mounted better. Let's remove this. Okay, okay. And they all say okay. Mounted is context scenario. Let's call it disposable context. It's a non-leaking context. So we can use it in the view model without passing around the context continuously. Do keep in mind that that context is the upper context. So if you need a context that's lower, just pass in the context through a method. Alright. Testing the mounted context method initialization of the ViewModelBuilder. The ViewModelBuild. Yes, yes, yes. Context. Final context is expect base view model context is not null. It's never null because I say it's never null. Damn it. How can we test this? Again, just so that it doesn't true. Okay. Base view model did not throw upon requesting context. Okay. Lame test. Right. So let's test it again. If we do this, if we don't bump it louder. It throws. Exactly. That's what I mean, right? Okay. Nice. We did it, guys and girls. I've updated the readmes as well. I think we reached the point where I can safely say that this package is ready for use. It already was, but you know, just trying to get into a habit of creating more tests, and I know these tests are kind of like, but still, it's nice practice, and it's nice to at least have a couple that test, you know, some of the features. So we have the argument scenario, we have the rebuild scenario, we have the context scenario, disposable context scenario, excuse me. I've got to change the name of the file. Disposable all context scenario. Alright, let's remove this. And then we had the mounted scenario. Yeah, right. So theoretically, when we theoretically, there you are. They should run them all. One to rule them all. One method to rule them all. So we have the widget test here. It has features. We only have the init state feature right now. And it has different scenarios. Argument, scenario, rebuild, mounted, disposable context. I'm thinking of changing the names. Arguments are passed. That's a bit strange. Arguments are sent, shared. How do you say that? Arguments work. Rebuild scenario. Rebuild. It's not null. Mounted. Mounted shows mounted scenario. Mounted is valid scenario. And then display context. It's not null. Okay. Arguments are passed. Let's put these in alphabetical order as well, so you know it's easier to find them when you're looking at here and you're looking at here, you know, developer experience. Arguments are passed. Argumenten zijn verstuurd. Are transmitted. That's a cool word. Transmitted, yo. Yo, 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 is not null. Yo, 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 mounted is valid. Mounted is valid. It's also a bit weird. Mounted is true. True. Mounted is true. And then we have the rebuild. Thus not true. No, we're testing if it's not no. Is not no. Okay. Testing the rebuild message. Okay. Okay. So I'm thinking, like, do we want a tear down or something when the methods are done? Because we're not really demonstrating that. Also, we're not really ever demonstrating that in the package itself. I did describe it in the README. You know what I mean? So that's okay, I guess. You think so too? You too? Okay. Nice. Fine. I like that we agree on things. That's it. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's see if it works, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, nice. And as you can see, these are all the tests. Testing the arguments functionality, testing the context method. We did it. Wow, man, I like this. I love it. You can see all the logging. Really nice. Although, you know, that package is mostly like syntax sugar for making sure that you use the behavior-driven development framework. I like this. It's structured, you know, it's... Okay, let's go. We finished this package. It's ready for use. Edit the rest of the integration tests. Edit the rest of the integration tests. Commit, push. Rebuild, mounted, context. They're actually widget tests, sorry. Okay. Oh, cancel. Shit. Do not check this into Git. Yes. Affirmation. I am fit. This one and this one. Flutter plugins. It's generated. Do not add it or check into version control. Now I wonder, by the way, if we need this. I don't think we do. And if we don't, then I think we can safely remove these. Okay, let's see if the test still what in the Git. Let's do it like this then. Okay, let's first test if the test is still working. Because you never know, you know? And if you don't know, now you know. Alright, just keep on rolling. Amend, sure. And then false push. Okay. Let's make a pull request. See, in my daily work, we use Bitbucket most of the time. It should be here. However, oh, I already made a pull request. Cool. Let's go through it. Nice. Accept. Very nice. Yep. Considerations, sure. can we make this like, yeah. Start a review with a comment, add a single comment. Huh? I have to figure out what the should we just test it a little bit? True. This is a comment that started a review. You know what I mean? Pending. Pending. Submit review. Okay. Very nice. Ah, okay. So the other person really has to do something. Got it, got it. So it's kind of like a task in Bitbucket. Resolve. Nicely done. Very nicely done. Here too, yeah, very nicely done. Resolve. Great work. I'm hungry. And I need to go. Okay. Yeah, well, I agree. This is very good. Very good. Very good. Yep, yep, yep. Love it. Oh, look at that. What's this? What's this file name? Has error feature. Is this still being used somewhere? Yes, okay. Is this also alphabetically? Yep. Okay. Oh, another one. See, with the Bitbucket plugin, you can go to that exact line. That is nice. So you want to check it out in the project? Press this. Made a shortcut for it, of course. Skilled hide. And we can also do something like, yeah, that might be. So I just do it like this. Same. Hack. I just created a hack. Just select it, and then now the only thing is you cannot go back. No, that sucks. So where were we? Here? No, we were here somewhere. Text skilled feature, yes sir. Alright, we were here. And my best friend. Okay, let's put on some other music. Okay, so this is QA. What? Pretty bad QA, but hey. Hey, that rhymes. Pretty bad QA, but hey. Pretty bad QA, but hey, let's go. Format. Whoa, that's a lot of formatting. Guys and girls. Sure, amend it, amend it. Part of the QA, of course, as well. Let's see. I think we're ready to publish. Let's go to the changelog. Alright, alright, alright. Let's go to pubdev first. A lightweight statement-driven solution originated by the field stacks stack package. Yeah, great package. Love it. The best. Hey, 3.0. What did they do? Passes generic to data state. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. Great. Forgot what I was searching for, what I was doing. So current version is 0.0.+1. Bug fix, improve this. Okay. Now here, what we're doing is added example project and added proper example project. Did we update the README as well with the example project? Yes, okay. Edit proper example project. Sorry, my eyes are acting weird again. I have to see what's going on. Okay. Anyway, add a proper example project. Unit tests and integration and widget tests. All right, nice. Let's go. Read me. All right, check. Plus spec. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Let's go. Wait. Yeah, it's fine. Let's just amend this as well. Skut-skudum, skut-skudum. Skut-skudum, skut-skudum. We're pushing. Come on. What's going on? What's going on, guys and girls? Pushing, pushing, pushing. Yes. Is it taking too long? Yes. What's going on? Okay, whatever. We are to do a Flutter format one more time, just to be sure, because we need to do this before we publish, or else we won't get the 140 points, you know? Love the 140 points. You know what I mean? These points. PubDev. Oh, there was something wrong. No license was recognized. Consider user compose the approved license. Why is it not there? I don't have a license. What the? I do have a license. That's weird. Okay. Let's see. Stacked license. Wait. Let me go to a different package of mine. Gherkin unit test. 140 points. Oh yeah, baby. Whew. Let's see how I did it there. Obviously I'm doing something wrong. License. Okay. I don't know if I have to do this, but I was just wondering if I had to do this. I'm already seeing it on the page. Would that be enough? Probably. It's giving me errors. So I hope it is. If it's not, then I'll add it back. But it's already getting a mention here as the first sentence of my package. So would that be enough? I hope so. Let's amend it again. Okay. Well, let's hope this works then. Flutter, publish. Double check if this license is the same as the other one. What changed? Oh shit, I committed it. Whatever. I need to go. Yeah, I need to go. Okay. Time to publish. Let's see. Oh yeah, cool. Rande comido. Hoopie choopie doopie. Ah, I need to update the readme. Damn it. Okay, go to veto, HQ. The entire package has extensive data documentation. Reading the page from top to bottom will give you a good idea of the benefits of the package. Also, a good example project. Also, a good example project. Proper unit tests. And some widget tests have been made to illustrate and test the most important features of this package. For now, I hope the package document this will suffice. Yes, okay, thank you. Okay, so this will be the README and README. Okay, like this. Hey, codeveto.com. Stay linky. Cool. Okay. We'll say okay. Update README. Yes, sir. Ah, damn. We need to change the pub spec. Also, make it 3. Change log 3. We'll say okay. Updated README. We'll just do it like this. Amend commit. Force push. Casino. I like the song. Now I hope that the license will get seen, and unknown license. Why did I put the license in the right place? Great time to check after publishing. Beneath the change log. Is that the same place? Beneath the change log. Yeah. What is this? Crash report. Did I add this? No. Okay. Okay. What else is there to do? I don't know. Yeah. Let's finish a couple things. Let's go to code as sprint. And go to the roadmap. No, go to the backlog. No, go to the create proper example project. Let's see. We did everything. Yeah. Okay. Done. Impact transfer. Didn't I already do that? I did do this. Yes, I did do this as well. do this. Impact transfer. Also did that. Let's see. Double check. Did I put the impact transfer in the template? I have a couple templates that I use on a regular basis daily. I created these to make wonderful tickets. So you may use them when you're creating tickets. They're very visual and they have good explanations about what the topics must do. You see? Now, do we have impact? No. Is this old then? Is this outdated? Is this outdated? What was I doing again? My mind drifted off to some place. Great. Systems and templates. Yes, sir. I didn't do that. All right. Let's go to. Oh. Let's go to do. That's weird. So let's add a task. What do we want to do again? We want to add the impact communication. Impact communication has a call. Add impact communication to template. Let's double check template. Sure. 30 minutes. Personal work. Deadline. The 8th. Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Let's go. Is there anything else? Ah, yeah, I can double check. Check it off here in Notion. Motion. Ocean. We can close this. What is this? Okay, yeah, sure. Close it up. We're wrapping up. Thank you for watching. We finished the veto package, so we can check that off. Finish. So next up would be, I think, the informers package. This one is quite easy. Do we want an example project for that one? Yeah, we might do. Yeah, that would be cool to create. But we might first want to do this one. And this one. We'll see. Welcome to my ASMR video. Thank you. Oh. Thank you for watching. Let's hide my emails. Thank you for watching, and I won't be streaming tonight because I'm going to The Hague and see my little sister. It's her birthday, so spend some time there, and then yeah, I will be back tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening probably, and tomorrow afternoon, and no, not tonight. So okay. Oh, too late. Anyway, oh, this is not so handy. I should change this. Yeah. Don't even try it. I'm gonna change it right now. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.